So now that our Power Apps portal has been provisioned, what we're going to do is we're going to launch the Portal Studio, and this is where we're going to add a web page. So we're just going to click on the Portal app, click on the ellipse, and that will launch the Portal Studio. And once we see the studio comes up, the first thing we're going to do is on the command bar, we're going to click on New Page. We're going to choose a particular layout. We can add layouts a little bit later when we're adding web templates. For now, we'll just pick Page with Title, and that will effectively create a new web page and the web page record in the portal metadata. So once this page is up, what we're going to do is update the properties pane and update the page details such as the name and the partial URL. And you'll notice each time you tab off a particular item in the properties pane, the page will automatically save. So now that our page is created, let's add a little bit of content to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the page copy section on the tool belt. I'm going to choose the components. And let's first create a 2-column section so we can separate some things out. We're going to add some text to the first column here. There I've added some text. And now the other thing I want to do is add an image to the right-hand column. So go back to my tool belt, took my components. I'm going to add an image here. I'm going to choose one of the images I currently already have saved in our portal metadata. We'll place that there, and there we go. We've created a page within the Power Apps portal using the Portal Studio. So what we're going to do is create a web page using the portal management apps. We're going to launch that model-driven app. We can get to that in our make.powerapps.com portal. This is going to launch our model-driven app, and here's where we can go in to the particular portal metadata records. There's web pages. Let's create a new web page. And we need to fill in specific details about the web page. So I filled in the name, I've chosen the website, the parent page, the partial URL, what page template I'm using. So we've created that structure. And now the next thing I want to do is save our record, and I want to go and create the localized content. So there's already a localized content record there, which is also a page record type, although using a different form. And then here we see we have a what you see is what you get editor as well. So I pasted in some content. We've saved that record. Now let's take a look on our portal. So here we see the new page on the Power Apps portal. Those are two methods to add web pages to Power Apps portals.